I told this nigga right here, man, not to park at this motherfucking spot. Not even to bag in. His fuck ass gonna bag in anyway. Nah.
Hey, who driving?
Yeah, I heard that shit, dog.
Ah, okay.
You say what, cuz?
Who driving?
Yeah, I heard that shit, dog.
Ah, okay.
Hey, Cole. Hey, bro. Hey, I just left the parking lot, man. That fuck towing the shit out your truck, fool.
Bullshit.
Man, that fuck towing your shit, fool. I told you don't mind no NIB, right? Park like that, bro. Why the hell you even park there? Come on, bro. We gotta go get this motherfucker, fool.
Bro, you for real, bro?
Fool, they towing your shit, bro. Bro, they towing the shit out your shit, fool. God damn, that nigga walking slow as a motherfucker. I told him, man, quit, man. Every time I look around, man, I don't want to think I'm King Larry. I can do what the fuck I want to do. All right, folks towing the shit out this nigga truck right about now. Hit Raiden looking at got there. Oh shit, they got this nigga running there. Oh hell yeah, watch this. Come on. Hey, bro, you need to hurry up, man. Look, you can't run that fast. Folks towing the shit out your shit. That nigga mad the motherfucker. I told his dumb ass about this shit. Bruh, hey, I told you don't park there, fool. I told you, bruh. Hey, it was two trucks out there, fool. I told you, man, you had to pull forward, man. You want to bag in and stuff. You better hurry up. Man, got me tired no more. That nigga there. Woo, shit. I'm tired no more. Hey, bro, I think we take the Escalade right there, bro. Told this nigga he got all the way down here in Dallas. Thinking he just could bag in and shit. That nigga can't bag in. Tried to tell him. Hey, bro, why you park right there, bro? Hey, man, why you park right there? Why did you park? I told you not to be parking right there, bro. This nigga mad the mother. This nigga left me. Hey, this nigga, look, we walking down the motherfucking escalator, y'all. Bro, I told you not to park. Bro, you down there, man. We all the way down there. Told him, man, not to park right there. Bro, maybe if you start running, man, that folk got your shit by now, bro. Bro, you might be gonna strike out. Huh? Hell no, you strike out. That nigga stomach hurt. Look, he wanna look all cool and shit. Hey, bro, why you park right there, though? Man, bro, why you park right there, though, bro? He might not want to talk to me. He might not want to talk to me, fool. Bro, I told you not to pull in like that, though. Did I not tell you that? Bro, that nigga crazy. I told this boy. Told Cole. Cole, them folks. He pulled in wrong. That boy bagged it in. I told this man not to park his car right there. Look, he thought I was playing. Hey, you need to hurry up, folks. Man, that fuck gonna be, man, your bill gonna be high in the motherfucker by the time you get there.
That man said I ain't even on this shit.
Man, all right, keep on. Keep on then. You get out there, your truck ain't out there.
If you get out there and ain't shit out there, that's your way.
Hey, I don't give a damn. The truck ain't out there, then what? Nigga, if your truck ain't out there, we both walking, then what? Huh? It ain't my fault. I told you not to pull right there. Told you. We parked that way right there. To the left. To the left, to the left. To the left, I told you. Yeah. Every time you look around, you always want to park where you want to park. Now these folks towing your shit. You won't be mad at me. All right, it ain't my fault. Yeah, keep running then. Keep running. Hey, Cole, we park on the other side, Cole. Look at these bad motherfuckers. Where you at? Hey, Cole. Hey, man. Uncle Woodley, man. I was just bullshitting, bro. They ain't showing your... Hey, man. Uncle Woodley, baby. You know what's going on. What's up, bro? What you doing, bro?
Hey, bro, go on with that bullshit, bro. What it look like I'm doing?
Bro, what you reading law books and shit for, bro?
Why you all up in my business, bro?
Bro, damn, bro, I was just playing, bro. What the hell wrong with you?
Who you gonna be called?
Man, shit, Ghostbusters, motherfucker, shit. Hey, man, you ain't mad at me, is you?
Hey, man, I'm about to be in it, bro.
Bro, you ain't mad at me, is you?
What you trying to apologize? I'm straight. You all ain't walking home.
Bruh, what's your name, bro? This nigga over here read. This nigga over here read motherfucking references book, nigga. What the hell? Bruh.
What?
I'm sorry, bro.
Right.
Scratch it, bro. I survived.
Learn how to survive, bro. Cause you ain't walking. You ain't walking today.
Man, you got me messed up, bro. It was just a joke, bro. You be joking with everybody else, but now if somebody joke with you got a problem with it.
All right.
So that what you in? Huh? I'm scared. What you gonna do? Look, this nigga left me like a motherfucker. Hey, bro. I'm going with you, huh?
Hey, bro.
Look, this.
Man, bro.
Look, this nigga right here. He's still looking for this ugly ass truck. I told that nigga, they told that shit. Hey, bro, I was just playing, bro. I told you that, bro. Bro, come on, man. Hey, bro, so you ain't gonna let me ride back with you, bro?
Nah, you got all for real?
Yeah.
All right.
Damn, bro, left me for real, fool. That nigga left me, bro. Hey, fuck that nigga then, fool. That's why they told this shit. Man, that nigga really finna leave me, y'all. That nigga made it back to the truck. That nigga finna go, ain't And then he skidded off on me, man. That's that dumbass shit, fool. I hope he rigged that bitch. Nigga can't not take a joke, fool. Damn, fool. Uncle Woodley, man. Stranded in Dallas. Damn, man. Hey, bro, what's up, man? Where you at, man? Bro, I told you I got the show today, bro. Bro, you still on that dumb shit, man? Man, that's some bullshit, fool, man. You know I got the show, man. Uncle them gonna be mad, fool. You all out here with your dumb ass shit, man. Nigga, somewhere in Texas, no shirt on. Nigga ain't got no clothes. Everything in your goddamn food. This nigga done hung up on me. God damn it, look, man. Uncle Woodley, man. Austin, Texas. This nigga done left me. I ain't got no shirt on. I'm out here with a tie nigga looking like goddamn Uncle Luke, goddamn it, the freak nigga right there. Somebody call that nigga, tell him come and get me right now.
Knocked them off at the 4-way. Mini Drake knocked off a nigga whole face. 12 pack on ice, that's a cold case. Fizz gave my dog like for a throwaway. Got me stressed out, so I blow a O a day. Drink a 4 of codeine like it's old day. It counting on the pain, but it don't go away. Hitting licks, no craps at the roadway. Plus I'm always strapped at the roadway. Yeah, I used to trap out the roadway. Buy some pussy ass and cap out the roadway. Hitting licks, no craps at the roadway. Plus I'm always strapped at the roadway. Yeah, I used to trap out the roadway. Buy some pussy ass and cap out the roadway. The roadway.